Hey guys, welcome back to another Davinci Resolve tutorial. Today we're going to be looking at how to import, trim, and add clips. So first, what you're going to want to do is right click here, select New Bin, and give your bin or folder a name. We'll just name this Import, Trim, and Add Clips. Now you're going to want to double click on your folder, right click, and hit Import Media. Then select all of the clips that you want to import. Hit Open. Now you have all of your files here. You're going to select the one that you want to edit. And the first way that you can trim your clip is by scrubbing through the footage finding an in point, right clicking, and hit Mark In. Then scrub through again, find your out point, right click, and hit Mark Out. Then you'll hover the mouse over the preview window. You'll see this icon. That's to drag the video only into the timeline, or you can drag the audio alone into the timeline. We're going to drag the video alone. Now the other way to trim your clip is very simple. First, let's select our clip, drag it into the timeline. What you're going to want to do is select the zoom in tool. So you're going to zoom in on your clip so that you can see it clearer. You're going to find your in point. Then you're going to select the blade tool. Once you've done that, hover the blade tool over your clip where you want to cut, click, and then select the clip, the part of the clip that you want to cut, and simply hit backspace on your keyboard or delete. Now there is one other way to trim your clip while it's on the timeline. Hover your mouse over your clip at the end or the beginning, and when you see this icon, simply drag the clip back like that, and you will cut whatever portion of the clip that you don't want. And it's that simple.